टॉपिक 3 सरफेसी एक्ट का एक रिसेंट केस लॉज है, आर्स पॉलीमर प्राइवेट लिमिटेड वर्सेस मिस अल्फाइन फार्मास्यूटिकल प्राइवेट लिमिटेड 2021 का केस है सुप्रीम कोर्ट का। इसमें फैक्ट इस तरह था, द अपील दैट वाज प्रिफर्ड बाय द मिस आर्स पॉलीमर प्राइवेट लिमिटेड who had purchased the property from the original auction purchaser, namely Basa Chandramouli, and by the bank. The borrower approached and filed a petition before the Debt Recovery Tribunal (DRT) challenging the enforcement proceeding in the respect of the subject property, including all the steps taken by the bank and the issued under notice under 13 subsection 2 of the SARFAESI Act. that Debt Recovery Tribunal of Hyderabad dismissed कर दिया of the borrower application, holding that the bank had followed the procedure. SARFAESI Act इसमें मेनली प्रोसीजर को लेकर चैलेंज किया गया था। सुप्रीम कोर्ट held that the borrower does not object to action of the creditors and accept the favorable decision from the creditors. Then later the borrower would stop from the taking inconsistent provision to gain the advantage through the judicial procedures. It was observed that mere failure of the creditor in giving reply to the objections raised by the borrower, though otherwise considered, does not invalidate the SARFAESI proceeding. Finally, Supreme Court upheld the order passed by the DRT confirming the procedure and the sale of the subject property under the SARFAESI Act. थैंक यू सो मच। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम एक और केस का बात करेंगे, बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा वर्सेस कारवा ट्रेडिंग कंपनी लिमिटेड 2022 का केस।